Welcome to Block Talk. This is going to be a discussion about Block 4 of Sewcialites 3. And the name of this block is Spring Wind, and it was designed by Minki Kim. Hi, Maura.
Hey, Ann.
So let's show our blocks.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, look, somebody went to a Halloween party and puked. Oh, let me see yours. Oh, that's pretty. God, the fabric is so awesome. Look at your points. That's really good.
I was pretty impressed with they didn't come out perfect in the middle, but they were consistent. I have exciting news. This one came to 9.5 inches.
Oh!
Watch. My 9.5 grid. It totally fits.
Oh, that's so awesome.
And it was
Oh
the
my gosh.
stupid green mat. I sent you some pictures. On one side of it, the tape measure showed that it was off on one side, and then as you got to the other side of the mat, the tape measure was off on the other side. So you were right. I had no idea with that.
It's so funny because I didn't know you were doing that. And then I was editing the video and you had said, and then I put it on the mat, on the green mat, and I'm like, whoa. So,
I had no idea. And so when I started taking my rulers and putting them on the mat, it's like, oh yeah, I'm off of 1/8 of an inch, and that starts adding up.
yeah, for sure. Yeah, and if you're
So
just measuring the smaller pieces as you go, you might not see it as much, but when you get to the end, obviously.
yeah, no, mine consistently, this is the first one I've made that's 9.5.
I'm so happy.
I did it right.
Thank God that's behind us. God dang.
So how many seam rips did you do on yours?
I didn't rip any this time.
Neither did I.
Woohoo! I knew you wouldn't have either, so I kind of knew that was coming. Do we get a point or no points if we tie?
I would say we don't need points on that one.
Okay. What challenges did you have with this block?
There were none except the ones I created for myself. I was trying to do a shortcut on this one. Remember your Ohio Star block tutorial, and you showed how to do these little 4-patch, and then it comes into one of these. Let me, to make these. But the big difference is you were using 3 colors, and when I tried it with 4 colors, it was a massive fail.
Yeah, I started thinking about that too after you mentioned that you were going to look into the shortcut. I thought, oh, I should do that too. And I thought, wait a minute, there's 4 different colors. I'm not even going to entertain that.
2 went right like that, okay? And then when you go to add the other ones, it just won't work. It just won't work. So
Okay.
not a shortcut.
Because they're not in the right order. They need to be in the same order on every one.
If you did 2 blocks and then took 2 from each, then you could do it then.
Right. Then you have a bunch of extra.
But this was so easy to just cut on the diagonal and sew the triangles together. And it was really, really an easy block. Where I struggled the most was those dang triangles started separating the more I ironed them. They just, that what's it, the bias? That was, it was hard to control that. So I've got some wrinkles in my fabric that I didn't want.
See how wrinkly these are?
That's exactly what happened to mine. The blues, all my blues are just wrinkle fest.
Do you think that's from, okay, because I thought it was from the, okay, well, duh.
It's from over ironing and pulling, and you're kind of ironing each section.
Well, then I thought, oh, I'll just spray it with some water and kind of let that dry because that will usually make the fabric shrink up a little bit and kind of straighten out. No, it made it way worse. I had one little wrinkle. By the time I was done with the water.
So I noticed you didn't use the black as your background on this one. You kind of incorporated it in the pinwheel.
I'll probably redo this block. It's just horrifying. I hate the colors. So yeah.
I don't like sewing just triangles. And maybe
Uh,
it's because I know that I gotta be careful and they're gonna stretch and they're gonna.
I did think it was really cool, the effect on the one on the pattern here, where it kind of looks like almost a shadow in there
Oh,
on that light
yeah,
yellow. And so I thought,
yeah.
oh, if I had the right like shades of orange, that would be really cool. But orange and black, no. I'm getting rid of orange on this quilt because
It looks like you're warning somebody that you can't drink that.
that's true. No. That's funny.
That's the toxic section of the quilt.
That's
But
hilarious. I didn't even think of
yeah,
that.
but when you go to oh, I can't even say it. Socialites Lounge. Sorry. There's going to be some beautiful colors out there. There's going to be some beautiful ideas.
I'm excited to see how people handled this because I kind of had fun like moving my colors around since all the triangles are the same size and
Yeah.
everything.
I didn't even think about doing that because I was like, oh, the background's got to be out here. The background's, so I put myself in a box.
Well, and I almost thought about doing black all the way out.
Oh. Oh, that would be cool. Oh, yeah, I like that. That would be a little
Yeah,
bit
I thought that
more.
was really cool. I should have done that. I think I don't know. I'm redoing it. Orange is going back in the stash and I need to pull out a different color set.
Don't go with yellow. That's a warning too.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I have red, purple, and blue so far. So I'm gonna have to find maybe green. Green would be good.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
That'll be, yeah.
Oh, I did want to say something good about the pattern. And I'm gonna mention this every time they do this because I love it when they have you make the blocks oversized and or the units oversized and then you get to trim them down. That made me really happy. So thank you, whoever did that in the pattern. All right. So would you do anything different?
I just wouldn't do it.
Yeah, I'm not a huge pinwheel fan either. I don't mind triangles. I'm actually warming up to them more. But
Yeah. Yeah. If you're going to spin something, I love spun flying geese. But the flying geese is challenging and it helps me be a better quilter.
I like flying geese too. They're fun.
Yeah. Yeah. And they put intermediate on that. I'm not understanding that at all.
Maybe that's because our fabric's all wavy.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Work with this new kind of hell. So, what was your time, man?
oh, okay. All right. Well, 38 minutes.
38 minutes? Okay, I did beat you on that. I did 26 minutes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Dude, you're pulling. All right. It's 3 to 5. You're ahead.
This one I was pleased. Like I said, I don't think my points came together perfectly, but I am pleased with the consistency.
I think it looks great. I mean, mine's kind of weird too. It's hard when there's so many.
Your
Yeah, mine
points are,
looks like
yeah,
yours, so
yeah, yeah.
I was fine with
No.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's going in the orphan bin anyway, so I got a loose definition of good enough on that. All right. Well, anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. Well, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye, Maura.
Bye, Ann. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.